Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to design this DecodingYT-style thumbnail in Canva step by step. I'll show you the complete process from scratch, so you can easily create the same design for your own videos. So, let's start the video. First, select this green background image and stretch it in full canvas. Now select this DecodingYT faceless avatar, which is in black hoodie, and place it in left side of thumbnail. Select rectangle and change color to white. Round the corner. Copy this white rectangle, change color to gray, and place it below of white rectangle. Group the both rectangle, and place it right side. Copy this and place like me. Go to element type circle and select this circle frame. Add some faceless channel name, their handle name, and their number of subscribers. Add glow effect on all text. Place logo in circle frame. Group all these elements. Add stroke weight on all circle frame. Now select text box and type the text. Select Font League Spartan. Increase text size and change text color to green. Go to Effect and add glow effect on text. Now final step is to add depth on thumbnail, so select rectangle and choose color dark gradient. Place this gradient at right side. And this is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. For more this type of amazing design tutorial, subscribe my channel, and for more thumbnail design tutorial, watch this playlist. Thank you for watching.